How to make money from Adsterra. Now make sure you watch the full video to get a full understanding of how to use Adsterra, because this is a very powerful tool. Welcome to a guide that's about to change the way you look at online earning. Now what is Adsterra? Adsterra is an online advertising network that connects advertisers with publishers to facilitate the display of ads on various digital platforms. Now what does this mean for you? For you, this means that you can make money by promoting the links that they give you. And that's called affiliate marketing. Now, as you can see up here, it says CPA Network. And this is the type of online advertising that you're going to be working with. So CPA stands for cost per action. That means that advertisers pay affiliates, which is us, a fee based on how much we promote the link, aka how many people click on the link that they give us to promote. So let's click sign up right here. And you can see three options right here. You can be an advertiser, a publisher, or an affiliate. Advertisers are the people who you're going to be getting the links from. So you're not going to be an advertiser. A publisher is, for example, if you have a web page that you want to monetize. So a lot of people click on a web page. You could just monetize that web page by putting the stuff that they want you to promote on your web page. And this is what we want to be. This is how we want to make money. So let's get started as an affiliate. Now that I have confirmed my email, I can just log in as an affiliate. And there you go. We're at the main page where we're going to be spending most of our time. From here, you're going to be looking at what you want to promote. What are you comfortable with promoting? For example, if you have an Instagram account that's for clothes or something for anime and stuff like that, you're not gonna be promoting Amazon gift cards, So you gotta choose where you're gonna be good at promoting. Or you can just choose something to promote and then make an account later just for that, because that also works, of course. But it is gonna take more time. So let's just start off with, let's select sweepstakes, for example. Let's see what's in here. And we're just going to be scrolling down and seeing what we can find. Win Amazon gift card. Let's see this. Let's go to the preview. Let's see what this looks like. So this is how it's going to look like when they click on the link. So we can request for a link right now. And let's say that we have the link. Your only job now is to promote the link that we've copied. So how are you going to promote this link? Well, there's a lot of different ways to promote a link. My recommendation for you is using Instagram, because on Instagram you can get just the right audience that you're looking for, and you can pay other people to promote your link, or you can pay other people to promote your account that promotes your link. So if this is all confusing to you, don't worry about it. There's also stuff like Reddit, Discord. There's a lot of different Discord servers that you can promote this stuff to. So let's say you want to promote this link and you've opened up Instagram. Now, how you're going to promote this link is by making another account that's specifically designed for the Amazon giveaway thing right here. So you can create an account called Amazon giveaway, or if you already have a account with a huge following, you can just put that link in your bio, or you can go with the third option, and it's what I'm gonna do right now. Search for accounts that are followed by people who are most likely to click on this link right here. Now, I really recommend you to think about this long term, because what most people do is they just do what I'm about to show you right now, because this is just an example video, but this doesn't necessarily work in real life as well as it does in videos. So for example, what you actually need to do is don't just focus on gift cards or giveaways or stuff like that, because the people that often click on those links usually just get targeted for personal information, and then they get a lot of calls per day, and it's really annoying. If you promote that to people, you're probably gonna get some money in the beginning, but they're not gonna come back to you, and they're not gonna see you as a reliable source. So what you need to do is choose something that you genuinely want to sell and make an account specifically for that thing. That way people are gonna trust you more. But for now, What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to maybe a up and coming meme page. So let's go to, let's just type in memes. And we can ask this person to promote our link. So we can go to message and then maybe ask this person, hello, I want you to promote my Amazon giveaway or something. And then ask them, what do they rate? How much is that gonna cost? And once they do that, we're gonna see if the deal is worth it or not. But I think it's pretty much gonna be worth it because this is gonna be promoted to 127,000 followers, so you're probably gonna get your money back. However, the other thing that you can do is create an account called Amazon Giveaway, make a bunch of posts, make a couple of reels, and this is what's very in trend right now. You basically just get random reels and then post your Amazon giveaway like at the top half of the reel, and then link the Amazon giveaway in the caption of the reel. And these reels do get a lot of views, so I do recommend you doing that as well. And there you go. That's how to make money using Adsterra. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.